That's the flag, baby. That's just the flag. Nala, come here. 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 You haven't seen a flag like that before? You have not seen a flag like that before? Yes. You haven't seen a flag like that before? Huh? Yes. That's the Canadian flag. I know you're coming from Rwanda. This is something new to you. I know. This is a different flag. A different flag. Okay, we gotta sit here now. Chill here. Sit here. Come. Nala, what do you think it is? Do you think that's a bird? That's not a bird. That's just a flag. It's the flag. You gotta get used to this, I'm telling you. It's normal, it's okay. Alright? Good girl. Stay there, right? Just watch, and you will get it in some time. Come back. Come back. When it's windy, that's what the flag does. Alright? Yes, good job. Sit here. It's okay. Are you excited or like you wondering what it is? Nala, hey. It's just a flag. It's a flag. It's the Canadian flag. You will see this a lot, okay? Around here. Okay. Okay, come back. She's just excited to see the Canadian flag, I think, for the first time. Nala. You think that's unusual? All these people you see here, walking here, all these people, they're shopping. They would like to purchase something from Walmart. Okay? Yes. So, people come mostly on weekends to do shopping, alright? Yeah. So you see a lot of people walking around. So mind your business unless somebody come and talk to you, okay? Okay? Good girl. Yeah, I see cars. Enjoy nature. Enjoy the summer. Because we have something called winter in here. Snow. So every season has its own experience. Okay? This is just the beginning. Alright? Come. We just had a conversation about this. Come. Here. It's alright. It's okay. Come back. Let me talk to you, Nala. Here. In Canada, see, in Canada people put flags on their cars, their houses, okay? Even in the street. So that's normal, alright? You have to get familiar with this flag. Red and white. Okay? When you see red and white, that's the Canadian flag. So it's normal, alright? There's no danger to you. And there's no danger to me and mommy, alright? Good girl, yes. So chill, please, chill and watch. See, there's another one right there. See? There's another one right there, right there. There's another one. Yes, that one. So it's alright. It's okay. Good girl.